Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we're gonna make Buldak spicy stir fry ramen. We need corn, melting cheese, sugar, mayo. This recipe is created by the manufacturer of this ramen, so I believe this is best recipe out there. Now please add 2 cups of water. Until you wait boiling water, you can mix corn, 2 spoons of mayo, half spoon sugar, and melting cheese. Mix them well. Add ramen noodle in the boiling water. You need to cook 5 minutes. You need to cook this noodle a little bit more than other noodles. And after 3 minutes, please add soup base and dry seaweed. Add cooked noodles on the plate because we gonna microwave. Add other ingredients on the top: corn, melting cheese, sugar, and mayo. We're gonna microwave 1 minute and 30 seconds. So as you see, the cheese is melted. It looks good. The Buldak Ramen is a spiced noodle. So adding cheese and mayo uh, actually kind of neutralize spiciness. So you add kind of fat into it, and it tastes really good. I like this manufacturer recipe because I like spicy food, but I'm not that good eating spicy food, and and cheese and corn, mayo made this noodle less spicy and more delicious. And you should definitely try this. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like it, subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.